He's the guide with the eyes to find animals on the way. Water. We have some Panamanian ships also. And then vessel will continue from Atlantic to Pacific. Okay? 35 vessels will come through the Panama Canal every day, and from 35, approximately 10 will go on the new section of the Panama Canal, the new lock system. New locks are 40% longer, 60% wider, and 25% deeper than the original locks. And that's the locks for ships that not fit on the original locks. Vessels that we used to call post-Panamax, and today we call it Neo-Panamax. Today, an average toll for a ship that is coming through the Panama Canal is $200,000 on the original lock. Toll original locks was over $419,000. Lowest toll was paid by Richard Halliburton, the guy that swam the canal in 10 days and only paid 36 cents. That happened in 1928. And earlier you say that's why you don't swim the canal, because crocodile. Just to tell you, when Halliburton swam the canal, he had a canoe behind with a sniper to keep crocodiles and other wildlife away. Fue muy avanzando para allá. Ya hay un tiro más lírico. No te preocupes. Between ocean water and fresh water, and that's why all the fish that are coming from this lake, all those freshwater fish, when are in the ocean, will lose their control and will be like a kind of open sushi bar for crocodiles. That's why most of those will be there. You will find here, like this one over there, are pipes that we use for dredging. When we dredge, all the material we get from the bottom, that will suck the material and will put it to the other side, away to the canal. Because we must guarantee the canal is deep enough for all the ships that are coming through the waterway. Yes, Panama Canal has 50 miles from one ocean to the other. But before to continue, there is a monkey here. Fabio, ¿dónde está? What? This one is a single monkey right now. we need a female. When he's adult enough, we're gonna have like a pair, and then we're gonna have a family in the future. Okay? Tamarin is probably the smallest type of monkey you will find in Panama. Now, in those islands, we have the different types of police that are necessary to this type of monkey, this type of food over there. It's like babies. If you have any McDonald's, for those guys, it's better than any vegetable or fruit. That's the same thing. If you have a chocolate, babies will run. If you have when you go around South America, you will find that it's 8,000 miles to go from one ocean to the other. Panama Canal is only 50. When the ships start to go through the canal, it will take 8 to 10 hours to go from one ocean to the other. Around South America is approximately 21 days. When you include maritime risk, fuel, money for crew members, for 21 days, that's represent 10 times the money you pay as a toll in the Panama Canal. That's why if the toll is $200,000, around South America could be over $2 million. That's the reason ships go through the canal and not go around South America. Have a group of monkeys. Oh. So, for example, the baby will not. If this guy don't feed or don't get the food first, especially if there are other things. Palo. This type of pond that has like the long leaf pond, those guys believe that you must cut the leaf, cut them before full moon. A lot of people take any like spirit mass or anything like that, and with that one. Again, any question you have? No le gustó tu uva, mira. Se la diste envenenada. He's very smart, but if you give them a piece of banana, he will peel it first, and he will eat it. If you have a lemon, he will use the lemon to wash himself.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's the way he can. You will find that his skin is really good. Okay. If he get hurt, the lemon will help him. When those guys are thirsty and need to drink some water, we come down here. We'll use the prehensile tail to be hungry, and then we'll Sorry, we'll do the water, we get wet the tail, and then we will suck it. We use the free hand size there to hang it down and grab some fruit or some food, or also before to jump. Those guys will make sure that it's safe. Different type of menu, let's choose one. My friend, can I have a picture with you? At Watershed, there are 5 different national parks that were created. In this country, there are more than 27 rivers that flow or feed the water of this lake that we call Gatun Lake. Rain is important more than feed the canal. You will find some. There are 7 indigenous groups, and according to 23, and we don't know the numbers, but according to those guys growing up, the numbers start to growing up right now. The indigenous tradition and culture. Oh, really? You must to try this, and then you get the canoe. Kill them. That's why, because he don't want them, we're gonna find other people. Dangerous snakes in Panama, we call it X or pelamco. ¿La qué? It's like a big lizard, yes, we call it basilisco. For the land for other people help them as well. To reach the hospital, they have a different venom. That's why they do. It's on the ground, you see it? Now it's over there. You see it? Hey. You see it? The male is trying to push away. He wants to eat mangoes now.
He wants mango.
No, sí, yo no te vi uno. A nosotros estamos ya de salida. Nosotros vimos uno, le aventamos un poco de uva, imagínate. Sí, it's coming for the mango. Listo, pues, vamos. Y ya nos vamos para el puerto ya. Now he's making noises to try to call the family. Here we have an entire family of monkeys here. Well, now ya lo vi. Yeah, that's el guayador, sí. Y es un macho. There is a around that's 11. Around 11 o'clock. This one is a male. Howler monkeys modify their throat to make the noise. The noise will be when we have sunrise, sunset, when you will find some lightning. That's the way he protects the group.